Okay, I have 3 food samples here: an apple, a granola bar, and a roll. I'm going to put a couple drops of iodine on each food sample to see which foods are sources of carbohydrates. So if it turns a blue-black color, that means that the iodine reacted with amylase, which is a starch digesting enzyme produced by your salivary glands. It converts starch and glycogen into simple sugars, and it also begins the chemical process of digestion. And if it turns a reddish, purple, or a brown color, that means it reacted with amylopectin, which is a digestible branch chain type of starch composed of glucose units. And if it stays the same color, there's no color change, that means there's no starch content. Okay, so just gonna put a few drops. Okay, so the apple, it kind of stayed the same color, kind of a lighter color with kind of like a yellow tint to it. And the granola bar, well, that means this has no starch content since it stayed the same. It didn't really change colors. And then the granola bar, it's kind of, I guess you could kind of say it's a reddish brown color. So that means that it reacted with amylopectin, and it has a certain type of starch content, which is composed of glucose units. And then the bread, it just turned black, a dark black color, blue black. So that means that the iodine reacted with amylase. So it does have starch content. It's the starch digesting enzyme produced by your salivary glands. So this has starch content for sure. This has some type of starch content. And this has no starch content.